What's up, everybody? Today we're making garlic parmesan 3 cheese scalloped potatoes. That's scalloped potatoes. Grab yourself some YUKON gold potatoes. My dog's trying to help with my video. Cut the end off so that you get to the thickest part, and then slice it into about 1/8 inch thick slices. You can cheat like me and use a mandolin. Alright, there you go. So when you're picking an onion, selecting an onion, make sure that the root's dry and the little belly button is dry and it's heavy for its size. Now, I was going to cut this there, but I'm using the onion on a grilled chicken recipe, so I needed half, but we only need about half in the potatoes anyway. Now with the onion, I like it really thin, so I set that to a 1/16 of an inch. Okay, you're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter and 3 tablespoons of flour for your roux. It's usually 50-50. Add your diced garlic, that's 1 clove. My roux is a little thick and I didn't whisk it enough and let it brown up, but typically with a roux you got your 1 part fat to your 1 part flour. You can see my tablespoons were too tall there. You want to whisk till all the lumps are out. Add your milk and whisk some more. Try and get all those lumps out if you're like me. You did your roux wrong. The roux is going to thicken the sauce. See how thick it got? We're going to add our cheeses next. No, we're not. We're going to add our mustard, our paprika, and our thyme. And I might have went a little crazy with the paprika there. Now we're going to add the cheeses. Use whatever cheese you want. Gruyere would be really good, but it's expensive and super rich. Or Gruyere. Right now, if you added a little beer to this, you'd have a fondue. Once the cheeses are incorporated in there, keep this warm because you're going to need it to be able to spread. So then we're going to butter a baking dish so that our potatoes and cheese don't stick as much. Then start to layer the potatoes in. I'd like to do 1 layer of potatoes, 1 layer of onion, 1 layer of cheese sauce, and then repeat. Remember to subscribe if you like the channel, leave comments, do whatever you want, thumbs up. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button if you want to know when I upload videos. Click the bell and it'll send you a little reminder. So I don't worry about getting the cheesy stuff all over every single part of the layer because it's just going to melt out a little bit. I do try and cover the entire What the? How'd that get in there? Alright, anybody see that one episode of Happy Days? There we go. So you're going to bake it an hour at 400 degrees. Then you're going to pull the foil off and bake it for 25 more minutes with the foil off. And then you're going to turn the broiler on high and leave it in the middle rack. And when you put the cheddar on, stick it under the broiler for about 2 minutes until it browns up. Look at that. Looks like it's alive. Make sure you get your towel in it too. I put little chives and parsley on mine. Look at this. Yummy, delicious, cheesy goodness. Wait a minute. It's out of focus. Alright, let's try this again. Yummy, delicious. Where's the cheese? Hey. Alright, well, you get the point. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment.